Hello students, welcome to Narayana online classes. Students, in this session I would like to discuss with you the assignment key which is placed in the assignment. Let us see each and every question with the help of solution and example. With exciting examples and solutions, let us discuss. First question, identify the cell. So a cell was given here, try to identify the cell. I would like to mention the parts, some of the parts are not clear. Let us see the parts which are mentioned here. So at the middle of the cell, there is a nucleus, large spherical shaped structure called nucleus. And here and there you can see some of the mitochondrions, some of the bundle or cylindrical shaped organelles called mitochondrions. Cytoplasm is commonly seen. Cytoplasm is also commonly seen. Around the cell, there is a membrane present called cell membrane. Around the cell, there is a membrane seen called cell membrane. And one more important character, Golgi operators are clearly visible in these cells. Golgi operators are clearly visible in these cells. And also here peroxisomes here and there. You can see some special structures called peroxisomes. Peroxisomes are appears. Even the endoplasmic reticulum, nothing but ER. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum also seen. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. And also rough endoplasmic reticulum also seen in this cell. Now based upon these parts, let us try to identify the cell. The given cell is definitely, it is an animal cell. What it is? It is an animal cell. It's not a plant cell. Why? Because if you take a plant cell, the plant cell contains a cell wall. That is the important character in the plant cell. So here the given cell is animal cell. Moving on to next question, students. So next question is, dash are absent in animal cells. Dash are commonly absent in an animal cell. Reading the options whatever given there. First option, cell wall, plastids, plasmodesmata, all of the above. So these three structures are absent in the animal cell, isn't it? A thick cell wall is absent. Plastids are also absent. Plasmodesmata that connects two different cells, cell membranes or cell walls, are also absent. So the correct option is all of the above. Moving on to next question. Organelles present in both animals and plant cells are common cell organelles that are commonly seen in plant cell as well as animal cell. Suppose on right hand side you have a plant cell, left hand side you have an animal cell. In these two cells, what are the common cell organelles you will see or you found? Let us see. Given options are nucleus, cytoplasm, nuclear membrane, and finally all of the above. So these three structures are commonly seen in the plant cell and animal cell, isn't it? Next, moving on to next question. What are the differences between animal and plant cell? So suppose if you want to define or if you want to say the differences between an animal cell and plant cell, just make a note like this. So in this side, I'll take an animal cell. Here I am taking animal cell. Here I am taking plant cell. Here I am taking plant cell. Any four major differences we have to notice or we have to write. Let us see the differences between an animal cell and plant cell. In animal cell, generally first point what you have to write. Cell wall is absent. The cell wall is absent in an animal cell. Whereas in the plant cell, suppose first point in plant cell wall is present or seen. Cell wall is seen in the plant cells. And one more difference, if you take an animal cell, suppose take an animal cell. Animal cell is, suppose take a plant cell. Take a plant cell. Here chloroplasts or plastids, chloroplasts or plastids are present in the plant cell, whereas in the animal cell, plastids are absent. Plastids are absent. Plastids are absent in the animal cell, whereas same plastids are seen in the plant cell, isn't it? So that is a basic difference which we have to notice. What are the common organelles seen in the animal cell and plant cell? Animal cell contains nucleus, whereas plant cell also contains nucleus. Animal cell contains cytoplasm, whereas plant cell also contains cytoplasm. Plasmodesmatas are absent. Plasmodesmata. Plasmodesmata are absent, whereas plasmodesmatas are present in the plant cell. Plasmodesmata that are present in the plant cell. Okay. So finally, fourth common point we will write. Common cell organelles seen in the animal cell and plant cell. Nucleus is present. Nucleus is present. Here in the plant cells also, nucleus is present. Nucleus is present in the animal cells and the plant cells. Understood, Nana? So basic differences, if you want to say, you have to say like this. Common basic differences between a plant cell and an animal cell. Moving on to next question. Identify the cell. The cell was given like this. So let us see this cell and identify what it is. So let us see all the parts whatever given here. The first part whatever given here is cell wall. First part what I noticed is presence of cell wall. If there is a cell wall or if cell wall is present, definitely it belongs to a plant cell category. It is a plant cell. It's a two-dimensional view or second dimensional view or 2D picture of a plant cell. So the given picture is a plant cell. Moving on to next question. So these are the questions, Nana, given in our assignment. Remaining assignment case we'll discuss in the next class. Thank you. Have a great day.